Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M14, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. So firstly, open the gallery, and as you can see I have no pictures yet, so I need to take a random picture. So now I'll take a picture, and now by opening the gallery and removing the photo, I am in your situation. And what can I do to restore my photo or video? So to do it, just click on this 3 lines button and choose here recycle bin. Find here the photo you want to restore and then click not delete all but restore all. And in this way you will restore your removed photos. But you need to know that photos will be stored in a recycle bin only during 30 days after removing it from normal gallery. And after 30 days in the recycle bin, your photos and videos will be permanently removed from your device. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.